It's goulash, huh?
Goulash.
Goulash.
That's some bull. 44 pounds of beef. Let's go inside and see what's happening inside. All kinds of prep work being done in here. Peppers, beans, things boiling on the stove over here. Things being ground up, minced up into small little pieces. A lot of things to be done with all that beef. Ground beef, minced beef, stuffed peppers. Getting these peppers ready to be stuffed. Got to get this stuff packaged up though. And here we have beef packaged up. Want to go into the freezer. Last all winter long. Beef, it's a good thing, folks.
It's goulash, huh?
Goulash. Goulash.
Yes, it is.
And Mama Marie making the goulash base on the rocket stove. So I only get to admire it right now, so can't eat it yet. Fasting.
What kind of paprika? Sweet or?
Ce paprika dulce sau pișcătoare? Am pus pastile un pic de pișcătoare. Some spicy.
Spicy? Don't worry, your face isn't on.
Hot.
Hot?
Very good.
Mama Marie's goulash.
Well, there you have it, folks. Mama Marie's goulash here in Cluj, Romania. Thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. Many more videos coming from Romania and other destinations. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Have a great day or a great evening. See ya.